everyone, I'm Jackie Romero.
I'm Alex Munoz.
And we're admission counselors at SMU in Dallas, Texas. It's spring season for college fairs, so there's a lot of events going on. So we just wanted to provide some do's and don'ts for college fairs this season.
So something you should be doing before you attend the college fair is make sure you do some research and knowing which universities you want to make sure you make contact with. You should be able to look at the list online of which universities will be attending. Usually it's several hundred universities, so it could be a little overwhelming. So if you do your research before you attend and make a plan of attack, it'll make it a little less overwhelming and make sure you make the most of your time.
A lot of college fairs also allow you to pre-register online, so you'll put in all your information and it'll give you a barcode. You can use this barcode at the college fairs to give your contact information to the different universities you chat with. This will be the quickest way to provide that for them so that you don't have to stand at each booth and fill out information cards. So make sure you register and print out your barcode or bring it on your cell phone.